Here is Macho Doll and her monster biceps. And today I'm gonna show you something from my home workout because it's cold outside on the beach, so I'm not doing my workout on the beach. I'm doing home and I'm using my dumbbells, and so I'm gonna show you now. This workout consists of 3 exercises. It's gonna get you very sexy, lean legs and sexy butt. So it consists of 3 exercises. You're gonna do each exercise 20 times and you're gonna repeat it 5 times, 5 rounds. So this is very short workout but very effective. I must say these 3 exercises, they are basic. Squats, lunges, deadlift, but I always use them in my workout because they work. They're gonna build your lean, sexy legs and sexy butt. So let me know how you did your workout, okay? Here is kiss from Macho Doll. And see you soon, and it's gonna be nice weather from the beach. Okay, bye bye!